Before HTTPS can encrypt your data, something important has to happen first. The browser and server must agree on how to communicate securely. This process is called the TLS Handshake. Welcome back to CyberMigos. Today we're explaining the TLS Handshake and how it creates a secure connection between your browser and a website. TLS Handshake. The TLS handshake is the process that establishes encryption between a browser and a server. Client. Hello. The handshake begins when the browser sends a message called a client hello. This message tells the server which encryption methods it supports. Server hello. The server responds with a server hello. This confirms the encryption method that will be used for the secure connection. So the browser and server agree on encryption first? Exactly. That negotiation is the TLS handshake. Key exchange. Next, both sides exchange information to create a shared encryption key. This key will be used to protect the session. Secure session. Once the handshake is complete, all traffic between the browser and the website becomes encrypted. Key takeaway. The TLS handshake creates the encryption keys that allow HTTPS to protect your data. If you want cybersecurity explained simply, subscribe to CyberMigos, new cybersecurity concepts explained every week.